Hello, I'm Sarah, and today I'm asking, why are disability products so ugly? I have rheumatoid arthritis. It's an autoimmune chronic pain condition, and it means that my knees, hands and feet don't work as well as they should. So I use a lot of disability products, including my walking stick. And when I'm out with my walking stick, I like to look smart because aesthetics matter. Everyone cares about how they look, and everyone cares about what they have in their home. Would you like this chair in your bathroom or kitchen? Probably not, and nor do people with disabilities. So it's strange that there's not wider product choice. After all, short-sighted people get product choice. Warby Parker are making a successful business from offering glasses in a wide range of styles. And they're smart to do so because there are lots of short-sighted people who like different things. There are also lots of people with disabilities, 61 million in the USA, with a combined disposable income of $490 billion. So why the disconnect? Well, a lot of disability products have traditionally been developed for institutional buyers. They're looking for functional products at a low unit cost for a bulk order. Aesthetics are not a priority. There are also unhelpful stereotypes. The inspirational superhero who's so busy overcoming their disability that they don't have time to worry about the colour of their shower stall. Or the helpless victim who should just accept and be grateful for whatever they're given. The answer to all of this is universal design. This is a process where designers work very closely with the people they're designing for to truly understand their problems, wants and needs. It's an iterative process with lots of feedback and rapid prototyping, something that's been made a lot easier with the advent of technologies like 3D printing and rendering. Designers, there's no excuse. Please embrace universal design. The good news is we are seeing positive change, and the world of prosthetics is a great example where we've got entrepreneurs like Mark bringing beautifully designed, affordable products to market. And then we have the Alternative Limb Project, who make prosthetics that look like works of art. Everyone deserves beautiful design. It makes people happy and it's good business. I'm Sarah, thanks for listening. Please reach out if you'd like to continue the conversation.